Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen. Here we have this beautiful Jura impressa S9 espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because it was having some error. It was having error 4, which means the temperature sensor on the back was not functioning correctly. We had to go over there, replace it, put it back together. Once we had that sensor clear off, we also did a tune-up on the machine. We had to disassemble the whole door, they had removed everything here, remove the brew unit, deep clean it, replace the O-rings of the brew unit, put it back together, descale the machine, lubricate the spouts as well. These ones were really rough. We clean around the grinder as well, and yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're going to be using the cappuccino function for this machine, so that way we'll use everything at once. We do not have to give the hose that is connected right here, so we will not be able to siphon milk. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, really great shot. Great color, great crema. Now we're going to be doing a cappuccino, that way we'll be testing everything in this side. Nice steam coming out of the machine. If we had the hose connected right here, it would be siphoning milk from the hose and it will come out over here frothing. But as you can see, we can increase or decrease the quantity of the foam, so it's working perfectly fine. Nice steady stream coming out of the cappuccino side. Excellent color as well. Really great flow. Now we'll be testing hot water, and as you can see, steady stream as well. So there you have it, your impressa S9 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.